Hi, thank you for your interest in the Block webcam and microphone application developed by xSecuritas. In this video, we will see how webcams and microphones are protected from malicious programs. First, I will explain how to protect webcam and microphone from malware viruses. When some program attempts to access your webcam or microphone, it first checks whether the program is already allowed. For your convenience, we have predefined programs that are mostly used as allowed programs. If an allowed program attempts to use a webcam or microphone, it is accepted. If a program set to deny attempts to use a webcam or microphone, the program will automatically shut down and block the webcam. If the program is neither allowed program nor denied program, it will prompt the user to decide whether to allow or deny. When these windows are displayed, the user can choose whether to allow or deny the program. Now let's run the Block webcam and microphone program to see how to configure the allow and block instructions on the device. Skype application is by default registered as an authorized program to use webcam and microphone. Now click the Minimize to Tray button to minimize the window and start testing. After running Skype, first we will check if Skype can use the webcam properly. Webcam and microphone can be used in Skype normally as if Block webcam and microphone program is not installed. Because Skype is already registered as an allowed program, Skype can use your webcam and microphone without any restrictions. Now run the AMCAP program on desktop. This is a program that uses webcam and microphone, and this program is not registered as an allowed or denied program. Therefore, a window asking whether to allow webcam and microphone for this program is displayed. If you select block in this window, this program will be terminated. The AMCAP program will be blocked to use the webcam and microphone. Let's run the AMCAP program again. This program has already been denied, so program execution is terminated immediately. In other words, AMCAP program cannot use webcam or microphone. Now, after removing the AMCAP deny policy, let's run the AMCAP program again. Since AMCAP is not part of the allow or deny program, a window is displayed to determine whether to allow webcam usage. If you click Allow button in this window, the AMCAP program can now use webcam normally. However, the AMCAP program has already closed, so please run it again. AMCAP can now use webcam without any restrictions. You can also view a list of programs using webcam or microphone, or a list of programs that have been denied use of webcam. Now, let's see what happens when the Block webcam and microphone program is terminated or not running. If you run Skype program and enter webcam chatting, you will see no video camera available, and you cannot use webcam. Similarly, if you run the AMCAP program, after a while, the AMCAP program will be terminated and you will not be able to use the webcam. Likewise, running a program called uCam that uses a webcam will not work with webcam. In other words, when the Block webcam and microphone program is closed, webcam and microphone are prohibited for all programs. This is the safest way to protect your webcam or microphone from unauthorized usage. How is it? A malicious program can steal your information by compromising with your webcam or microphone. We are sure that you will be able to secure webcam and microphone if you use Block webcam and microphone application. Thanks you for watching.